Okay, bachcho, we are going to make today Swarmala activity. So we are going to do Swarmala. I will make flower. So first of all, we need glue, scissor, paper, thread, and pencil. Okay. Now I am taking rectangle paper. It is, I think, I will measure and tell you.
It is 14 centimeter बच्चों. Now we have to fold the paper into half.
Now we will start how to make. See, this is a 14. So I will do into half. I will divide into two half. After doing half, still I will make it half. Okay. Then again I will make it half. So how many half we have? We have one half, two half, and this is the three half. It is total 8 papers. So right here I will keep my thumb here. Okay. Then I will draw my thumb. See, I draw my thumb here. Okay, you have to draw the thumb like this. And be careful with the scissors. If you cannot use, you tell your parents to help you out. Okay. Now I will cut the thumb. See, this is, I got a one petal. When you will open these petals, you will be having a flower. Okay, bachcho? See, this is a flower. See, I got a two flower. Then what we are going to do with this two flower? The first petal, we will glue it. Okay. First petal we will glue it, and same thread. We will take the thread. How long you are going to make mala? We have to do it. Leave some little thread. Leave little thread. Then attach this. Put the thread in this. See, I put the thread. Okay, and take another petal and keep opposite to it. It is sleeping line, no, should be standing. See, like this. See, my flower is stick to the mala. Did you see? Yeah, the same way. See, it is looking like a flower, no? It is the same way we will do. We will attach more flowers. See, I have more flowers here. I keep all the flowers. So, we will fix this. Okay, now we will take orange one. Same way we will do. We will put the glue. We will put the glue. Put in the thread. Okay, and one more. Orange I have, I will paste it. See, it is looking like a one more flower. See, I have one more flower. Okay, this is two flowers. See, I have two flowers. Same way, one more flower we will put. Put flower. And the thread. And attach one more flower. It is become a flower. How long you want to make, you can make, bachcho. How long you want to make, you can make. See, I already make one mala. See, you can see here I make already one big mala. It is, see here, you can see here, I will show you here, I will keep and show you. This one big mala I am keeping here, see, with lot of flowers. Big mala I have. See, big mala. It is Swarmala. Now what we are going to write? I have these small places. No, I keep one these small circles. I will fix here, and you can write any letter. Swarmala. Swar is what, bachcho? Swar is A, I, E. So Swarmala. So you can write A here. Okay. You can put on the red one. You can write K here. Okay. Same way you have to fix all the malas. It is Swar mala. Okay, bachcho. Yeah, I will write here La. Okay, like this you have to do. See here. This is your beautiful mala with the sword.
See the beautiful Swarmala. Okay, if you like my videos, please like and share and subscribe to my channel.